Hello, greetings, and welcome. I am Jeff the Christian Gamer, and I'm going to talk about an issue that I've been experiencing for actually a couple of weeks now that I just now figured out the solution to, and that is a controller that does not allow you to run backwards. Now, at the moment, you notice I've been rotating my camera a lot. That's, I guess, one way you could solve it if you just want to not solve it at all, actually. But yeah, anyway, if you notice, I'll roll the control. Oh, okay. How about we go ahead and okay. I really need you to leave me alone. Okay. I'm gonna kill this thing real quick. Ow. Okay. Now, I'm going to demonstrate the issue, and then I'm going to demonstrate the fix for this issue. Alrighty. Alright, now, outside of town a little bit, I will roll the control stick in a circle, and you will notice that when when I'm moving, it doesn't matter which direction necessarily I move, it kind of janks out on me when I try to move the control stick downwards or directly towards the camera in this case. So basically there's a fix for that, and it's one that I surprisingly missed a couple of times when I was looking for it. So yeah, here we go. Using the strange feeling D-pad, you go to controller setting, system settings rather, and then you go to controllers and sensors. And under controllers and sensors, you have to go to calibrate control sticks. Now, basically following the directions from here on out, press down on the control stick. Let's see, blah, 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 blah. Press X to calibrate. Okay, so then you just follow the prompts from here. And it's especially important with the down one that you get it relatively centered so that when you see the controller working again, everything is all blue. Oh, that's one thing I forgot to show you guys. When it is not working properly, it'll go something like this, and it won't let you go all the way down, and it won't turn blue because it doesn't register the fact that you have pulled the control stick all the way down. Of course, this time, since I've calibrated, I'm not pulling the control stick all the way down, but this is a simulation of what it would look like. Yeah. Anyway, so when you go back into game now, notice that I can run backwards now. Yay! All directions are free. Alright, well yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show you guys. I've just been having that issue and I kind of ignored it until it got really annoying in Xenoblade. So yeah, that's how you fix it. If you'd like to like and or subscribe, you may do so by clicking on the links provided. Also, if you'd like to check out other videos I've done, you may do that by clicking on the links in this video. I have a Facebook and a Twitter, both geared towards giving you information about when I'm going to be releasing my next videos.